When doing your final preparation for your upcoming exam, it's a good idea to concentrate on your summaries such as mind maps or bullet point outlines. If you have not already prepared these, doing so now can be a good way to review the topic and test what you can remember. Don't just read over your notes. Put your summaries on one page. Carry this mobile page everywhere and study it wherever you are. The big secret is that your brain likes repetition, repetition, repetition. Your memory is like a muscle. It strengthens with exercise. Complete past exam papers. This will ensure that you are prepared for the type of exam you will be sitting. Notice where there are gaps and go back and review those areas. Check your answers in previous tests and concentrate on the questions where you lost marks. The final day should be regarded as a consolidation period. Review your summaries rather than full notes. And finally, think positively. You have done your revision, and it will be fine. A positive attitude is likely to help you more than anything else. Also, register for the online Udemy program, 10 Habits of Learning Development. You won't regret it.